So you ordered a Forever Bracelet. That's great. Now I'm going to show you how to put it on. This is what the Forever Bracelet looks like after a couple months of wearing it every day and showering with it and everything. First thing you're going to do is you're going to thread it through itself and put it on either yourself or the person that you're helping out. Then you're going to pull it tight. And you're going to want to do it fairly tight. Then you're going to just tie an overhand knot and cinch that down as tight as you can and as close as you can to this piece. So it'll be a lot tighter than this. The knot will get a lot smaller because the person will pull really hard. But then once you're done with that, then you can just take scissors or wire cutters or anything like that. And you don't want to cut it all the way down because the knot could slip. You want to leave a little bit of room, maybe 1/4 of an inch, and snip it. And then I usually get it wet, stretch it out a little bit, and then you're done.